Look at this channel named Ghibli Days. With just 18 videos, this channel has gained more than 80,000 subscribers. And with only 18 videos, it has crossed more than 5 million views. When I checked their earnings, I found that this channel made more than $5,000 this month from AdSense revenue alone. And what kind of content do they upload? Simple Ghibli-style AI videos that feel relaxing, give a cozy vibe, and keep viewers watching because of their calming ASMR-style sounds. And the best part is you can also make these types of anime Ghibli-style videos. The only thing you need to create these videos is these master prompts, which I've already created for you and provided in the description so you can use them for yourself. Now, before we deep dive into the video, I want you to make sure to subscribe for more free AI tutorials on this channel. And now, without wasting a single second, let's dive in. First, we'll create a YouTube channel. And for that, we need a cozy aesthetic name. For this, head over to the document. And here you can see the channel name Prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here. Then go to ChatGPT and paste it there and hit next. ChatGPT will then provide you with 10 channel name ideas. Now simply choose one name you like. Once the name is selected, it's time to generate a logo for our channel. For that, again, head over to the document and below, you'll see the channel logo prompt. Simply copy that as well. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the first line, it asks you to paste your channel name. So just paste your copied channel name here and hit next. ChatGPT will now generate an attractive logo for your channel. Once you have it, simply download it. Now let's move on to the actual channel creation process. Head over to YouTube, click on sign in, then click on create account and choose the for my personal use option here. Paste your channel name and hit next. After that, fill in the remaining details. Once that's done, you need to upload your logo. Simply click on upload, choose your downloaded logo, then click on save, and finally click on publish. Your channel is now ready to go, and it's time to start making videos. And for that, again, head over to the document, and here you can see this analyze prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. After that, head over to YouTube and search for this channel named Ghibli Days. Now simply take a screenshot of the channel name and subscriber count and paste it into ChatGPT. Then again, go to the channel and take screenshots of the channel's videos so everything is clear, like thumbnails, titles, and view counts, so ChatGPT can understand better. Paste these screenshots into ChatGPT as well. Once everything is done, simply hit next. ChatGPT will now provide you with all the details, like what type of content this channel creates, and it will also give you the exact AI creation order so you can easily follow it. But you don't need to read everything carefully because this video already covers all the steps. Now, once ChatGPT has successfully analyzed this channel, let's ask ChatGPT for video topic ideas. For that, again, head over to the document and below you can see the topic option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you can change how many topic ideas you want. I personally went with 10. Now hit next and ChatGPT will generate 10 topic ideas for you. Simply choose one topic according to your needs. For example, I chose this fourth topic from the list. Once we have our topic, it's time to generate a script. For that, head over to the document again, and below you will find the script option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the first line, it asks you to paste your topic. So just copy your selected topic from above and paste it into the prompt. Then it asks how many minutes long you want the video script to be. I chose 3 minutes since this is just a tutorial. Now hit next and ChatGPT will start generating the full script for your video. Once ChatGPT has generated the complete script, it's time to create scenes for each line of the script. For that, head back to the document again, and here you'll see the scenes option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit next. ChatGPT will first tell you how many scenes are in the script, like 30 scenes here. If your script has more scenes, ChatGPT can generate them in parts, like 30 scenes at a time when you click next. But since this script has only 26 scenes, ChatGPT provided all the scenes at once. Now that we have our scenes, it's time to generate images. But before that, we need image prompts. For that, head over to the document again, and here you'll see the image prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here. This prompt is designed to first give you character prompts, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit next. At the top, it shows you the total number of scenes, and below that, how many characters are in this story, like 2 characters here. Below that, it first provides character prompts. So first, we will generate our characters. While generating scenes, we'll reuse these characters to get consistent results every time. Below that, ChatGPT also provides scene-wise image prompts with character names included, so we know which character appears in which scene. Now simply copy the first character prompt from here and open Google, search for Whisk AI, click on Enter Tool, and paste your prompt into the prompt box. Then click here and choose the 1:1 ratio and hit Enter. It will generate 2 character images for you, and you can see both images look amazing. Simply choose one and download it. Now let's generate the scenes. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. It shows that no character is required in this scene, so we'll generate it normally. Paste the prompt into Whisk AI and hit next. You'll see that Whisk generates the images beautifully. Download it. Now copy the second image prompt, paste it into Whisk AI, generate it, and download it as well. Now we need to generate scenes with characters. For example, ChatGPT tells us that the fourth image prompt needs character Hannah. Simply copy that entire prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. Then click on Add Images, click on Upload Image, and upload your character image. Once uploaded, click Next. It will generate images where the character's face and appearance remain the same. See how amazing the result is. Generate all the remaining images in the same way. I generated all the images like this. Now simply download each image one by one. And once all the images are ready, it's time to convert these images into video. And for that, again, head over to the document, and below you can see this video prompt. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. Then hit Next. ChatGPT will now provide you with scene-by-scene image to video prompts. Now simply copy the first prompt from here, then open Google, search for Flow and open it. After that, click on Create with Flow, then click on New Project, and here choose the Frames to Video option. Now click on Upload and upload your first image here. Then click on Crop and Save. After that, paste your copied prompt here in the prompt box and make sure to use these settings while generating the video. Then hit Next, and in a few seconds your video will be ready. See how it looks. And yes guys, the video looks very amazing and gives a cozy vibe. I trained these prompts to generate videos without any background music, only simple ASMR sounds, so viewers feel relaxed while watching. Now let's generate another video as well. Again, click on the plus icon, select your AI image here, paste your prompt, and hit Next. Flow will generate the video in a few moments. Play it and see how it looks. And yes, guys, this video is truly mind-blowing with relaxing ASMR sounds that make the visuals even more beautiful. Now simply click on the download option and download the video in high quality like this. You can create all the videos. After that, open any editing software, like I open CapCut here. Then click on the import option and import your videos. Import all your clips one by one. Then simply click on export and your video is ready to upload. And just like that, you can create these types of Ghibli-style AI videos completely free in just a few minutes. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Also, comment down below which AI tutorial you want me to cover next. Until then, keep creating. Bye-bye.